There's no one watches videos on YouTube anymore. Man, I don't care if you got 266,444,000. 222 videos? I mean, views? Homie, I don't care if I got 1 view or 2s. And if you ain't see me, then you better make room. Because if that wasn't you, then you ain't scared Doom. Let me take him back to the Gray's room. There's really a dude in my house right now, but he's scared of whom? You scared whom? You scared room? You think I don't know? I feel like if I ever went back there, they'd be like, Fofo. Because they'd be like, this fool's style is so freaking fresh though, that when I married that one lady I did not even know. And yeah, that's what you're supposed to do, and I put you on bro, but you ain't from here because you don't even know. Shout out to Silmar, California, and the San Fernando Doe. No, I think it's actually pronounced San Fernando. Is it down the 14? And if you don't know, I'll be like, oh, you mean like chicken and waffles on Roscoe? Chicken and waffles on Roscoe. Is it a crime to say? How about being me and keep my name out your mouth?